पवन पुत्र हनुमान जी की
जय।
जय श्री कृष्ण। श्री कृष्ण शरणम ममा। बोलो श्रीनाथ जी बाबा की जय। आयुलाल झूलेलाल। और कोई भगवान है क्या? तिरुपति बालाजी भगवान की
जय।
गोविंदा गोपाला।
शिरडी साईं बाबा की
शिरडी वाले साईं बाबा की
जय।
जय साईनाथ। लेके प्रभु का नाम यहाँ से सफर शुरू करते हैं हम। We'll start our journey from here to the destination is Lyon at the end of the day, and Lyon where we will be staying at Novotel Bron Lyon, and before that we'll enjoy Fragonard, the perfume factory. I would wish that today you all will have a very nice time with the perfume factory in French Riviera, which is the birthplace of perfumes. As such, the birthplace is not French Riviera or France, but it is Greek people who invented these perfumes. But it has come later on to France, and in French Riviera, they are growing a lot of flowers in their around their factory, and they boil it and evaporate it, and they make it deo, perfume, and cosmetics out of that. So you have opportunity to buy your choice of your perfume for yourself, for your friends, for your relatives, for your girlfriend, for neighbor's wife, everyone, whatever you like, whomever you like, you can buy for them, make them happy, right? And after that we'll proceed a short drive to Nice, which is approximately 25 kilometers from Aizville, from where we will just proceed to Nice, where there is a beach. You will get sufficient time to enjoy beach. Hope everybody has got a costume and towel to enjoy. I'm sorry, it's my mistake.
Costumes are in the bag.
Yeah. So after the beach, we will proceed a long journey to Lyon, which is half of the way to Paris. Thank you, John. So this is today's program, and I will say bye-bye to you all today in the afternoon. I must say thank you very much, everybody. It is very hard to leave you all on the half of the way, because I will never get such a nice people in my tour. You all are so lovely, particularly children. I'll be missing them all. Girls are coming to me saying that don't go Joshi uncle, don't go Joshi uncle. That makes me in tears. Really, they are very lovely. But I explained to them that this is my majburi and I have to go. Otherwise, I will have to admit in the hospital somewhere. So better let me go and take a rest. So the children, the small kids coming to me saying that uncle you will go, that's very touchy. Thank you all. If you wish to be in touch with me after the tour even, you can mail me. My email address, will you please note down?
Okay, hold on, just a second. Let me get
I'll give you time, yes, to take out your pen and paper. I'll give my email address and my mobile number in India. So after sufficient rest, I will proceed to India, and I will just make a proper treatment of my knee and come back again if possible. Otherwise, I'll open my own tour operator company.
Okay, I'm ready for email address.
Okay, sir, it is JMJ, like Juliet, Majnu Juliet,
Okay,
7256, that's my birth date,
7256
7256 at yahoo.co.in.
.co.co. IN.
Like India.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
So JMJ7256 at yahoo.co.in. That's my email address, and if you wish to call me up, my mobile number is
That also there?
0091
0091
97231
97231
480
480
84.
84.
Yeah.
Is your birthday February 7th or July 7th?
February 7th.
Okay.
Indian way, not American way.
If it was American way, then it would be today.
Yeah, if it is American way, it is July 2nd.
And that's today.
That's today. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's today. Yeah.
So I thought,
But it is the other way around. 2nd of February, or 7th of February 1956. I'm Aquarius. Thank you very much, everybody. I'll be saying bye-bye to you when you will get down at the beach, and I will be proceeding to the airport at the end of the beach. Airport is on the other end of the beach. So I'll go to the airport, I'll take a flight and fly to London. Thank you very much once again for everything you all did. Your prayers, your healing treatment, your everything I will never miss. I'll remember. I'll miss you all. Thank you.
We'll miss you too.
Thank you.
Joshi.
Big round of applause for Mr. Joshi, please.
Hey.
Thank you.
He's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us.
Nobody
Thank
can
you.
deny. There's more to the song.
Thank you very much.